Welcome back guys, CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk how to work with the Pitchfork tool on TradingView. Let's dive in. Like I told you before, personally for me, all of that tools we can use in different ways. So million traders is gonna use in totally different ways, choosing the different time frames, choosing the different starting points. So all of that tools we can work in different way by subjective vision of the market. To start using the Pitchfork, you need to choose the magnet, hold that starting point, choose 3 points. I will show you on Solana USDT on 4-hour time frame. So for example, we got a starting point here, that low. Second will be that top of the impulse. So on this specific time frame, 4-hour time frame, this is an impulse, this is a top. Then we get a deep correction. But like you can see on this example, we got an equal low. So I will choose, this is like a third point. First point, second top, and the third point here. We got channels. Inside that channels, we can trade in an uptrend if this is a real uptrend. If we're breaking out the last line, we can say the trend ends and we need to redraw the Pitchfork, in totally another direction. So it's pretty simple, but I recommend you adjust settings so we can use the basic standard FIB levels. Like let's say this is the first level, this one. Median is going to be equilibrium by default. So next one will be 1.61 and 8. Third one will be 2.61 and 8. And third one, let's choose the 3.61 and 8. That one. Also, if you want to, you can save the settings like a template. Top. Save. Okay. Next step, we can, of course, on the reply bar, take a look how this Pitchfork are playing out by levels on history. But the same story you can track in real time. For example, if you determine the correct, but of course, I remind you that subjective K levels. So take a look. And of course, I don't recommend you to open position, just base it on some levels. You can use all of that tools only like additional tool for more information about the uptrend move. Like you can see, we hold the line at 61 level by FIB, like support. So we get a reaction. We can zoom in and find out this is a reaction, like support. Again, support, bounce. So the next step should be the test, for example, the equilibrium. Also, we don't know the timing. So like you can see in my previous videos, I showed you the trick. So we can use that like a top and we sweep that high. Next high should be around here, that one. Mark the K levels. In this way, we can just use in a complex like lines and the liquidity pools and determine the potential, even the cross line by time. Here is a support like 1.61 level by FIB. Support again, rejection at 61. And here is, we sweep that high. Again, support 61, 1.61. And we're going down. So this was a rejection at 1.61 level by FIB. Drop it down, find a support at 2.61. So this is how the FIB numbers works. Then we drop it down, find a support here at 2.61. Also take a look on the same example how we can work with additional Pitchfork. You can start draw the Schiff Pitchfork from the scratch or modified Schiff Pitchfork from the scratch or Inside Pitchfork, but you can use just a basic Pitchfork. So let's go to that one, use the magnet, the same bottom and the top. And now it's only up to you. You can track by basic Pitchfork or you go into settings, that one, and choose the levels, up to you of course, and modify the style of Pitchfork. This is how it looks like with the Schiff. So you can see that price respect the level, but the Pitchfork is showing you that little bit on angle directions. Or you can use the modified Schiff. It's a little bit adjusted like this one. Or we can use the Inside Pitchfork like this one. So if it is sideways, it's going to be the perfect reaction at some levels. So let's take a look how it playing out in history with just inside a Pitchfork. Take a look how the price respect the levels and react that levels. Here is a reaction. So it's a perfect example for trades on the sideways move, and more than 70%, I guess, time or market going just in the sideways move. Take a look how it reacts at some key levels. So take a look, this reaction, breaking out, support, reaction. And when we're breaking out the last line, you understand we're going on an uptrend. You can go to settings. Once again, choose original pitchfork or choose the Schiff pitchfork. Continue to track the same correct levels for the uptrend. Here's how the price react the levels. So guys, I recommend you to use reply bar, choose your favorite token or favorite asset, use your favorite time frame, what you would like to backtest, and test different pitchfork modes. Find which one is perfectly match with your trading strategy. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.